Hello InvTraX. Moving averages are an essential technical analysis tool used to smooth out price fluctuations on a chart, enabling traders to predict future price movements. By observing the movement and slopes of a moving average, traders can determine the current trend and where prices may be heading. The simple moving average, SMA, is the least complex of all moving averages and is obtained by totaling up X daily closing prices and dividing that total by that X number. For example, if you want to plot a 5-period SMA on a 1-hour chart, you have to add up the closing prices of the last 5 hours and divide that total by 5. The calculations are done by the charting software, and all you need to do is understand the principle of how these SMA are arrived at. In technical analysis, the quantity of price lag depends on the time scale of the SMA. The SMA allows us to have a broader picture of the market as compared to the current price, thus giving us an overall prediction of future prices. However, SMAs are prone to spike anomalies, which can skew the results. To filter out these anomalies, traders use the exponential moving average, EMA. EMAs give more emphasis to the latter periods, meaning that recent price movements are given more importance than historical movements. This enables traders to have a more realistic picture of the general trend of the market and make more informed decisions based on current market sentiment. In conclusion, moving averages are a powerful tool for traders looking to predict future price movements in the market. By understanding the principles behind the calculation of simple and exponential moving averages, traders can use these indicators to get a broader view of the market and make more informed decisions based on current market sentiment. Get free trading signals by joining our Telegram channel today. Link in the description. Don't miss out on our latest videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Don't miss any of our Facebook posts. Make sure to like and follow our page. Stay connected for our next video.